Hello friends, today we are going to discuss syntax analysis in compiler design. This is the second phase of a compiler design or phases of a compiler. There are 8 phases are available in compiler. First one is lexical analysis, next one is syntax analysis or parser. Then next one we will have intermediate code generation, then code optimization, target code generator, then symbol table and error handler. There are different phases are available. With the help of that, compiler is designed. Okay. Today we are going to discuss syntax analysis. Syntax analysis is also called as parser. Okay, now what is the responsibility of syntax analysis? So this is the second phase of a compiler design, and the responsibility of syntax analysis to create a parse tree from the given stream of a token. So what is token and what is the use of it and how is to be created? We already discussed these things. So here we are going to discuss only definition of a token. So what is token? Token are nothing but the category or class of a input. Suppose we have a instruction C is equal to A plus B and semicolon. So this instruction is given to the first phase, that is lex. And what we will get from lex or scanner? Here we will get the identifier, operators, constants, special symbols. These things are nothing but your tokens. Okay. Now, what is the responsibility of this syntax analysis? The syntax responsibility of syntax analysis to take the tokens, stream of token, get the token from the lexical analysis or scanner, and prepare the parse tree according to the grammar given to it, according to the grammar available. If parse tree is traversed successfully, input is traversed successfully, then create the success or display the message error. Okay, now next, syntax analyzer. So we already discussed these things. Syntax analyzer create the syntactic structure of the given source program. This syntactic structure is nothing but parse tree. Syntax analyzer is also called as parser. The syntax analyzer or parser checks whether a given program or instructions satisfy the rules implied by a context-free grammar or not. If it satisfied the parser, create the parse tree of that program. Otherwise, the parser give the error message. Yes, we already discussed these things. If particular whole input is to be scanned by the parser, then it will generate the success or it will generate the error. Now, next, every programming language has precise rules that prescribe the syntactic structure of well-formed programs. Now, what is program? Program is made up of function, a function out of declaration and statement, a statement of the expressions. The syntax of programming language construct can be specified by CFG, context free grammar. We will discuss these things in detail in next lecture. So till now we will discuss that what is CFG. CFG is in a quadruple form. This is the form of a grammar. There are 4 quadruples are available in CFG: non-terminal, terminal, productions and starting symbol. A context-free grammar gives a precise syntactic specification of a programming language. The design of the grammar is an initial phase of the design of a compiler. A grammar can be directly converted into a parser by some tools. Yes, this is the structure of a parser. Parser works on stream of tokens. We already discussed these things. The smallest item is a token. So we know that what is token, a category or class of input. So here just we see that a source of program or instruction given to the lexical analyzer, and lexical analyzer create the token, and this token is given to the parser, and according to that the parser generates the parse tree. Also